What's up, guys? It's Rob here, and today we need to talk about Rumble stock because this stock is growing rapidly, not just in terms of stock price, but also in terms of user growth. We're going to talk about all the bullish things that are going on for Rumble, and before we do, I want to apologize for my voice. I know I don't sound quite right. I'm just getting over something. I lost my voice over the weekend, so sorry about that. Won't be the best audio quality for this video, but hopefully it'll end soon. Now, Rumble actually moved up massively yesterday. Okay, we saw at the highs, it was up about 38, 39% at the highs of day. It was pretty impressive stuff. You know, when we posted the video yesterday, it was just around $12, I believe, and we saw huge growth from that point. Now, we did pull back a little bit today. Hopefully, we're going to stabilize around the $14, $15 level and maybe make a move back up because we're seeing a lot more interest in Rumble stock as time goes on. Now, take a look at this. Rumble now is actually ranking as the second most active stock on StockTwits, the number 2 stock right here, right below the S&P 500. So a lot more people are starting to talk about Rumble stock on StockTwits, and you can see something very impressive in the analytics on Google. A lot of people are searching for Rumble stock, and it's actually maintained near the highs. Now, what's really interesting about this is that if you look at something like Tesla stock, a very popular stock, you can see that Tesla actually wanes in popularity during the nighttime hours. Not many people are searching for it. With Rumble and RUM stock, that didn't actually happen very much. You can see that we maintain these levels that we're at throughout the night. So people are interested in Rumble stock. And by the way, these are searches for Rumble stock and RUM stock right here, the blue and red lines, versus Tesla stock, the yellow line. People are maintaining interest in those first two stocks, in those first two searches, Rumble and RUM, for throughout the entire night, and hopefully we'll actually see this number going up. Okay, they've maintained these levels while the stock has been, over the past 12-ish hours or so, on a downturn. Now, when stocks are on a downturn, they do tend to lose some interest. A lot of people aren't as interested when stocks are going down. And if we started seeing Rumble going up and potentially making new highs, I think we could get a lot more people searching for this thing, figuring out that this stock exists, and potentially becoming long-term holders in it, which is what we really want. Now, I actually took another bullish position on Rumble just earlier this morning when I saw the price had dipped a little bit, and I actually posted about it in the private stock group, which you guys can join and support the channel at the top link in the description if you want, where we will be talking about Rumble stock for sure. Now, Rumble currently market cap $3.7 billion. I think we can go a lot larger with Rumble over the next couple of months, especially if we continue to see big growth in user numbers, which I would expect we will because of a couple of catalysts. One that's coming up very soon is that Russell Brand is going to launch his exclusive daily live show on Rumble. So this is going to be a Rumble exclusive. People will be able to view his show. For those of you who don't know who Russell Brand is, I'm about to tell you, but people will be able to view his show on Rumble 1 p.m. Eastern Time, weekdays, starting September 28th. So in about a week from now, we could see another big spurt of growth for Rumble daily active users or monthly active users because Russell Brand is very popular on YouTube. He has about 6 million subscribers on YouTube, and his videos get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. So it's very likely that we'll see a ton of those people come on over to Rumble to watch his stuff there, and that would just be another boost to the user count. And there's a lot more that Rumble can do over the next couple of months, a lot more creators like Russell Brand that they could probably get to launch some exclusive shows on their platform and continue growing Rumble. So we're going to look at one other thing, right? One other thing that's proving a bit of growth. We saw yesterday the personal subscriber count for this channel actually upped itself by about 600, okay? We were around 2,700, I believe, maybe 2,800. So between 500 or 600 people subscribed yesterday on Rumble versus YouTube. We saw, a big uptick, maybe 40 or 50 subscribers, but nothing compared to what we saw on Rumble. Okay, Rumble's been growing, I've noticed, a lot faster than the YouTube subscriber count has. And let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can actually get these 3.3 thousand above the 12,800 on YouTube. I think we might be able to do it over the next couple of months. That's something I would love to see. If you're on YouTube still, feel free to subscribe, right? If that's where you watch. Certainly, I think YouTube, has a bit of a more fleshed out experience versus when you go to Rumble. It's going to be developed further, though. It needs more development, I think. But overall, I think that Rumble is going to be a much faster growing platform than YouTube in terms of percentage gain, right? I think it'll double a lot faster than YouTube will double. I think we've seen that happen already in the past, and a lot more people are going to be moving over to this company, and that will surely, in my opinion at least, benefit the stock price. So Keep in mind, guys, none of this is financial advice. If you want to check out the private stock market group, feel free to hit the top link in the description or subscribe to the channel either on Rumble or YouTube. That would be greatly appreciated. And other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.